Okay, let's start the video. And I'll be doing some update on the Pick 4 and probably Mega Million or Powerball. But before we get started, let's do the update on the propagation of some plants that I made a video earlier this week. And as you can see, the this one tomato plant growing some roots. So I planted them in the soil and it looks like strong. It's standing strong, you can see it. It's not weak. You can see the vines growing straight. And as you can see the vines, this is planted a couple days earlier. You can see the vines are growing inside. A lot, you can see it. These are vines. Look at that much vines. It's healthy. And let's see if it grows some more vines, more roots and more vines upward. And this one is planted today, you can see. This one's still strong because the leaf is not weak. And this one does have a little bit roots, not much. Let's see if it grow more roots. And I did left one, you can see it on the bottom. You can left one of this plant on the bottom. Now if it attached to the soil, this small plant will also grow roots later on. So I don't want to cut that off. And this one also was planted today. And it looks like it's a little bit weaker, but I put them on the sun. Maybe it'll get back strong tonight. As I put more water inside also. This one has a little bit of roots. So as you can see, that it works. And you can propagate a lot of tomato plants for next year. Now let's get back to the Pick 3 and Pick 4. And we'll be doing some update on week 2 of the Pick 4. There we go. Now I'm gonna start with some of the Pick 4, not all of them, because it would take too long on the video. Let's get an update on some of the Pick 4. Okay, let's get it bigger. Okay, there we go. And the Mega Million is 168 million. About, nobody won both of them. So we'll be updating after tonight's Powerball draw on the Mega Million and Powerball. And remember, you can email me for any illustration part 1 to part 18, hyper_links@yahoo.com. And you subscribe, donate, share, and like my video. And also email me at hyper_links@yahoo.com for any game prediction or requests. Please, for those of you who got the Invincible number chart, please follow the Invincible number chart. And as you can see, the 5th Invincible number chart is going wild for Mega Million. Probably will continue to go wild for Mega Million next week, because that 5th Invincible number for Mega Million never had any stops on the 5th Invincible number. That means the only stops it had was 1 or 2 draws. They had probably mostly 1 draw. Then probably after that streak of 5th Invincible number, consecutive draws of 5th Invincible for Mega Million, only stop 1 or 2 draw. Then it rolled the 5th Invincible number again, and then it stopped 1 draw, and then keep drawing the 5th Invincible number. So if it doesn't stop on Tuesday draw, probably will continue to roll on the 5th Invincible number for Mega Million. And that's the key to winning, because you know how high the number goes. If you have 5th Invincible number, then the number of the matrix should be high. Even though last night's Powerball had low number matrix, had 4 low number. 1 to 35 is low number. 36 to 40 is high. 36 to 69 is high number. Even though it had 4 number lower than 35, it still have 1 high number. So that high number will be the deciding point on where you want to do. Maybe you want to start with 1 5th Invincible number and put all 4 low numbers, because that might help also. Because since you know the 5th Invincible number, you might want to take a chance and put all 4 low numbers for Mega Million. And always remember, nothing is guaranteed, but always trust yourself. And here's the invisible number chart by game. And let's start. And North Carolina, again, proven to be hot. It had two triple numbers got drawn earlier week 1. After week 1 of drawing 2 triple numbers, people would think it's gonna stop. It didn't stop for North Carolina. It draw 1 more triple numbers. That those two triple numbers I had posted earlier in the video had big wins, over 15,000 to 20,000 wins if you play it correctly using the scenario 1 or scenario 2. And 6686 is not scenario 1 or scenario 2, so it's not front pair or back pair. You only don't get straight advantage, but you do get box advantage. You do get box advantage. Box advantage is 600 average per state. Some state difference on the payout. So as you can see, 6686 hit week 2. So if North Carolina gets hot, we'll get hot next week. So we update it each week. Maybe it'll get hot next week, maybe it don't. But now let's see what we want to use the last 4 draws. Going down, 0757, 9107, 4386, 8856. And you can see where the number stands and how much wins you will get, even though it's a box hit. Remember, it didn't stop. $600 is not a cheap win. It's a big win. So if you have a couple of $600, it adds to over $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, depending on how big you go. So now you're gonna move the regroup the Quadruplets ToeSter, and we're gonna regroup it, and we're gonna 6686, and it's NC. So last 4 draw is 0757, 0757, 9107, 9107, 4386, 4386, 8856, 8856. So as you can see, this was already red, C4, so I'm gonna keep it red because that was one of the angle that hit. So it's gonna either be a corner that give you a big that give you a hit. It's the C4. That's the main digit. Why do we keep it as a main digit when we start from this angle 6 or angle 2 or angle 9 or angle 10, because this one's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or angle 10, because this is the main digit. So it doesn't matter if you start with the front pair scenario 1 or back pair scenario 2. This is the main digit. So this will hit your money. So you change the first 3 angle or the back 3 digits of each angle. So because this is not front pair or back pair, so you don't get advantage for either one of them. So it doesn't matter which one you change. So just to give you an example, let's change the front pair or the back pair. So let's go with the front pair. Front pair, you go 20, 19, 18, 17. Angle 17 will hit. Angle 16 and angle 15. Why do I change the back pair? Because the angles are right next to each other, so it makes it easier to show you guys. So if I use the front pair, I'll have to go to this angle, and this angle. The angles are spread. So that's why I use back pair. So it will change to 6, 6, 8, 6 for this angle, angle 17, 16, and 15, or change it 6, 6, 8, 6. Back pair, scenario 2, and again diagonal angle change that angle also. So the three angle that hit 16, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. 16, 15, 14. So, no. 20, 19, 18, 17, 17, 16, 15. So, angle 17, 16, and 15 hit. So, this one is angle 17. As you can see, angle 17 hits. So, I'm not going to use that because it ruins the Quadruplets ToeSter. So we're gonna place that here. So this is the main angle. Now, not yet. So not only that angle hit, this angle also hit. This angle 17, 16, 15, 14 also hit. 14 also hit. Changing the last 3 digits of each angle, you will also hit this angle. So you hit 86686 3 times, and this 8 is inside a Quadruplets ToeSter, so it can't be used. So what's total win? Total win is 4 times box. You hit 4 times box for 600 times 4, you get a total of 2400 win. Just for that draw, that's almost 1 straight hit. And now, you think South Carolina is going to drop the triples next week? That doesn't matter, because even if you don't hit, when you hit a straight hit on using the triple down method, you're going to get all your money right back up. So don't give up. You're going to get your money right back up. So you got to stay strong. And South Carolina 3222. 3222. South Carolina is 3222. And we're going to use the last 4 draw. Last 4 draw. Going down. And since it's a back pair, you use back pair scenario 2, back trio, not back pair, back trio. Gonna use back scenario 2, back trio to give you an advantage. So for South Carolina, we're gonna have I didn't have to do anything. Just do that. Because I have to do it. I have to change it because it's not 333, it's 222. You're gonna have to write SC right over here, South Carolina, and moving this over. I'm gonna use last 4 draw will be 3197. One, 9, 7, and the next one is 4535. 4, 5, and then the next one, 3996, 3996. Next one is 8627, 8627, and your hitting point is now no longer that angle right there, no longer C4. You're going to have to use a back pair, which is this angle. 2, 1, and 20. 2, 1, and 20 will hit you straight box win. And let's duplicate the slide first, because this angle right here also wins. Angle 18 also wins. 3996, angle 3996. Change the last 3 digits, so we'll change this one first to 3222. You hit the angle for 600 box, and 2,500 straight win. 50, 50, 50. Now, you go back up, angle 20, we'll change 2, 2, 2, angle 9, angle 1, 2, 2, 2, the diagonal angle, angle 2 going down, 3, 2, 2, 2. So how many times do you hit? Hit 4 times. Angle 20, 19, 1, angle 21, 2, and this angle 7, 18. So if you get an update on the win, you also hit 4 times. Box straight. Box and straight. So you hit 4 times box and straight. So 4 times 600 is 2,400. So even though South Carolina didn't do good last week, for the first week of November, did good on the second week just for this number. So that means if you play and you lost all that money that week, if you stick to the same system, not only will you get your money back, you get more than your money back because it was straight win. Now you can go a dollar, but I would guide you to go small 50-50. And your total win is 12,400 because the box hit cover you already cover your spending, and your profit is on the straight. Now let's go to Texas. Texas has 2 hits. Even though the first week on the Texas, even though first week of Texas, all 4 draws didn't do good. Texas did good on the second week. I like midday and evening. This is the midday draw, morning going down, midday, evening, night. So you can see morning 8333 and night 8880. The main draw didn't hit evening and midday, but the night draw hit and morning draw hit. So that means I advise you to focus on the evening and the midday draw because it didn't hit yet. Now we're going to use the last 4 draw. This came first, 8808. You don't get advantage because 8880 is not front pair, back pairs. You get the last 4 angle. Last 4 draw, and then you use the ToeSter quadrant system. So again, 8808 Texas. Now, last 4 draw will be 0778. .0787 and 3969. And then 1146. 6024. 6024. And again, the 8808 will hit 4 times, but let's show everybody where the hitting points are. It doesn't matter where you go because it's not front pair, back pair. You angle 20, angle 1, and angle 2, plus angle 0197, which is angle 14, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. So let's go to angle 21st, 0088, angle 10888, and angle going down 0888. Change the last 3 digits of each angle, and then angle going up 0888. So your coordinate that are hitting are these 2 coordinates, your main coordinates, 1C and 4D. So you can see the coordinate system where the hitting points are, and you will hit 4 times, and 4 times 600 box, you get 2400 just for that win right there. Now it didn't stop. Why? Because using the last 4 draws, we're gonna hit 1 more time. Since it's a front pair or back pair scenario, you get advantage for 8338. In the last 4 draws, for 8338, I'll move this aside, and using the last 4 draw, 8333. Texas. In the last 4 draw, we're gonna find the winning combination. 4768, 4768, 6083, 6083, and again another winning combination that give you a big win. 7985. Remember, Texas has a lot of draws, and because they have a lot of draws, you got more chance. And since it didn't do good on the first week, you know that because of more draws, probably high chance of coming out on the second week. And it did. It came out 2 times on the second week. 7268. And we're gonna call this black because this is not the main angle. The main angle hit that 8338. 2 of them, 8338. So this is gonna be amazing. Win. They call it amazing win. Big win, huge win. That's why you call it when you get that much win on a slot machine. They will call it amazing win, huge win, big win. I call it amazing win because it hit a couple times. So let's use one of the angle to hit. Let's do the top one and make this red. Since the back pair scenario 1, scenario 2, use the back trio system. If you use front trio, scenario 1, you only hit box. So use the back trio, scenario 2, to hit straight box. Angle that hit, angle 5, 8333, and angle 6, 8333, angle 7, 8333. You hit 3 times. Straight box. Now we go to this angle. The other angle that hit was on the bottom. These 3 angles that hit. And as you can see, let's count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Angle 10, 11, 12 will hit by changing the last 3 digits of each angle. 10, 11, let's go 10, change the angle 10, 8333, 11, 8333, and 12 going up, 8333. So there we have it. You will hit straight box 6 times. So this is your cornet, hot cornet right here. So if you can check other states. I'll update you next week, or I'll update you more. Let's see what other state did good and how you can hit big. You can email me on that one. You hit 6 times straight box. So again, 6 times 600. Sorry about that. Is 2400, and 6 times 2500. If it comes on an angle, you get advantage because you automatically hit 3 times, and for 15,000, and your total win will be 17,400. Not hard, and no way. If you cover our angle, the lottery machine is going to block your win. No way, because you're covering 420 angle. Now, for instance, if you think these two 8 on a corner will cost you $10 per angle, and you want to drop one of the 8 on an angle, it will cost you $170, because by not playing one of the 8s on an angle, for all 3 angles, you save $30. So if you, by saving that $30, is it worth it? Because you miss that much money. You miss by saving that 8 on all those 3 angles for $30. You're missing half of the winning. Is that worth it? You tell yourself that. Even if it's box, is that worth it? Because you save $30 for $1,800. Is that worth it? No, not worth it. So I advise you not to drop any angle. If you drop angle, even one angle, $10 costs you $600. It still costs you a lot of money. That's $590 profit just for a box hit. If you want to drop angle, you got to learn which angle to drop to save more money. Remember, if you save $20 per draw, that's $180. For 9 draws, you get extra draw for free because of how much you save. So you got to think how you save those money to play those angles. Which angle you play? There's 20 angle, $10 per angle for straight box. Why box? Box will cover you if you play the wrong scenario. So let's say if you play 8338, scenario 1, front trio, 3338, 3338, you will only hit box. And because you have box cover, it protects your winning. It's like an insurance. Box is like an insurance. You must play the box. While the box, there's no insurance. That's how lottery machine gets you. You draw the opposite way. Once you draw the opposite way, you have no insurance. It's like blackjack. When you don't put insurance, they put a blackjack on the dealer. When they put a blackjack on the dealer, you're not going to win. You can buy the insurance with the box. The box is like an insurance. So play the box. Now on pick 3, since there's only 1,000 number, don't need to play the box. On pick 4, 10,000 numbers, you need to play the box for insurance. Because lottery won't pay that much money if you don't cover yourself. And you can email me for Dster red number system, hyper_links@yahoo.com. Donate, subscribe, share, and like my video. And email me for any game prediction. And I'll update you on next week's draw. And make sure you can double the amount of plants you have. Just like how much money you can double. Double amount of plants you have. You can see, double the amount of plants you have. Squirrel roots. When you double the amount of plants, double amounts of tomatoes.